American.
Walk the dang dog.
Standard British.
Can you walk the bloody dog?
Devonshire.
Can you walk the dang dog?
German.
Can you walk the dang dog?
Scottish.
Could you walk the bloody dog?
Geordie.
Can you walk the dog?
Brummie.
Could you go walk the dog?
Yorkshire.
Could you go walk the bloody dog?
Scouse.
Could you walk the dog?
Irish.
Could you go and walk the dog?
Russian.
Go and walk the dog.
Cockney.
Could you go and walk the dang dog?
South African.
No, you'd say bloody dog.
Northern Irish.
Could you go and walk the bloody dog?
New Zealand.
Could you go and walk the dog?
British RP.
Could you go and walk the dog?
New York.
Could you go walk the dang dog?
Australian.
Could you go and walk the dang dog?
Welsh.
Could you go and walk the dog?
French.
Could you go and walk the dog?
Southern.
Could you go walk the dang dog?
Jamaican.
Could you go walk the dog?
West Country.
Could you go walk the bloody dog?
Spanish.
Could you go and walk the dog?
Canadian.
Could you go walk the dang dog?
Dutch.
Could you go and walk the dang dog?